Hi everyone, my name is Megan and I am an MSW student at the University of Toronto. I'm going to spend a few minutes with you today going over Zoom, which is a new media application that many people are using to connect with friends and family over the internet. It is a very simple program to follow, and I just wanted to spend some time going through those steps with you. Okay, so one of the first ways that you might receive a Zoom call is through an email. And so it's very possible that a friend or a family member has sent you an email asking or inviting you to join a Zoom meeting. So this is an example of what that invitation might look like. It has your name up top. We'll say it's a Zoom meeting. And then if you look below, it says who is inviting you to the Zoom meeting, the date, and then it has a link here as well that you will click on to begin your Zoom. Okay, so we're going to click on that link there, and it should open up a brand new window on your internet browser, asking you to either launch the program, or if you don't have it, you're going to come down to this part here where it asks you to download and run Zoom. So we're going to click on that. And it's going to ask me if I want to install Zoom. So I'm going to continue. I'm going to click install. Now my computer is asking me for a password. This might not happen on yours, but if it does, just type it in there and then you're gonna install software. Okay, so it's telling me that it worked and it's fully installed. So we're gonna close this and we're going to head back over to that email. So once you have downloaded the Zoom application, you can then head back into your email account and go back to the email that's inviting you to the scheduled Zoom meeting. So this is the email that I received down below here. I received it from my sister here, and it's just showing me again the link, and it's also identifying a meeting ID and a password. So we may need to come back to using those, but I'm just going to show you here that we're going to click on the link and it should open up the application. So now it's just asking me if I want to allow it to open, and we're going to say yes, and it will bring me into the meeting room. So now it's just saying, please wait, the meeting host will let you in, and this is just the other person allowing the meeting to begin. So now you'll see that we've been brought into this meeting room, and you can see that my sister is on the left and her video is on, and I'm on the right, and our names are listed just by the picture there, so you can tell who is who. At the bottom of the left hand side there is a little button that says mute, so you can click on that to mute yourself and still have your video showing, or you can unclick it and to talk to the other person. There's also another button beside that one, and it's a video. So as you'll notice, my picture here is it's just a still frame, but I'm going to click on the start video, and that will bring my video on. So there we go. And then there's just a few other buttons that I would like to show you now. So if you go up to the top right hand corner, you'll see a button that says speaker view, and so you can click on that, and that means that you can change the layout of the screen so that the other person can be on full screen, or you can go to gallery view, which Both pictures are very similar in size and next to one another. You'll also notice down at the bottom that there is a participants button, and so if you click on that, it will just tell you on the right hand side who is participating in the video. And so you'll notice that both of our names are up here. And then if you move into the chat button, what this allows is you can write a message to the other person. So if anything goes wrong or there's noise in the background and you don't want to turn on your mic yet, you can always just send a message that says hello, and send that, and it will get sent to the other person so they can view that as well. And yeah, there's lots of other features that are possible to use, but at this time we wanted to show you the basics, and we hope that you enjoy using this platform.